Are you looking for the best herb garden seeds? We've got these right here. I figured I'd show these things off to you guys today. If y'all find this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys hooking that up for me right there. So opening this bad boy on up, as you get 10 different kinds of herb seeds in here. So you got the basil, a Genovese. You have chives. You have cilantro. You have dill, lavender, marjoram, oregano, parsley, sage, and thyme. So you get a good variety of different kind of herbs right here in this little packet so that you can create your own herb garden. My wife loves to garden, and she loves having herbs in her garden so that whenever she's cooking, she can easily just go outside with a pair of scissors or a knife, chop up what she needs, and then bring it directly inside. Like, it is going to be the freshest of the fresh herbs that you can get. And whenever you get fresh herbs and you start, like, either, you take a mortar and pestle and kind of crush them that way, or you're chopping them up, or however you're using them, like, you smell the aromatics come up from there, and it just makes the cooking so much better, in my opinion, because you get all that flavor being unlocked, as opposed to using something that's already dried, where they've already chopped it up, they've already processed it, and you lose all the aromatics that are in there. So that's one reason why we love using seed to be able to plant that right into the garden, so we can get it the freshest of the fresh. And some of the, I'm not the the green thumb person in the house, but some of these, like, they just keep coming back over and over and over, year after year. And so it's literally like you buy it once and it'll keep going over and over, which is awesome. I love that. So if y'all are looking for an excellent pack of seeds right here with all these different kind of herbs in there, y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all this set right here, especially if you love just being out in the garden and tending to your own stuff. Hey, y'all, let me know if this was helpful. If it was, there's that helpful right there. Definitely appreciate you guys picking that up for us. Oh, I wanted to point out that these guys did send us these so we could show them off to y'all, but they've sent us lots of other seeds in the past before. Stuff is still growing in our garden over there that they sent to us, and so it is just proliferating out of there, and it is awesome. I love having so much fresh stuff right there at the house. So like I said, y'all go grab y'all some of these if this is something that you want. I believe that they make different, like, kinds of seed packs. Like, I think they have a tomato variety one. This is obviously the herb one here. They make, like, larger flowered pack ones. So there's a particular herb or type of flower that you're looking for, definitely go and check out the product listing below, and they'll have all the different options that you can choose from on there. That way you guys can go and pick out the exact seeds that you're going to want for your garden and what's going to actually grow based on what zone you're in. We're down here in South Louisiana. Like, we have an awesome growing zone, and so we can grow a lot of these types of things. So definitely go and check that out if that's something that you want. All right, thank y'all for watching, and Dad out.